Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use text and style tools on the Beer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on this paper icon that you can find at the bottom of the screen in the right side corner. Now type in your notes, and then if you scroll to the right side of the screen you can find these text and style tools. If you want your text to be bold, just tap on the B button or icon and start typing in your note. If you want your word to be italicized, you have to press the button I, which is the second option. As you can see now, it is italicized. If you want it to be underlined, tap on the third option, and you can also make notes that are striked using this S button. If you want to highlight anything in your note, just scroll or swipe to the right side of the screen till you find this pencil button, tap on it, and now you are ready to highlight. You can highlight the ones that you have already written. You just need to tap on it and then click on this pencil button in order to highlight your text. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.